Malco's hole cutters now come with a first-in-the-industry impact-ready cutter bit, making them more versatile than any other hole cutter on the market. With a new durable hex shank design, the cutter bit allows the hole cutter to work with a drill or impact driver, so you can use whichever you have on hand and not carry an additional power tool. Malco's hole cutters come in two sizes: the compact HC1 that cuts perfect 2 to 12-inch sheet metal circles, and the larger HC2 which creates holes from 2 to 20 inches in diameter. Made with lightweight aluminum frames, these hole cutters are portable yet tough, able to handle a variety of sheet metal including 20-gauge galvanized steel. And now that they can be used with an impact driver, holes can be created even faster. Speaking of fast, Malco hole cutters assemble in no time. Slide the thrust bearing onto the bit, followed by the adjustment sleeve. Tighten the sleeve set screw with the Allen wrench and insert the bit into the hole cutter. Screw the thrust bearing onto the tool and you're set. Making precise circle cuts with Malco's hole cutters is painless. Move the Easy Adjust pivot pin to the required hole size and attach the cutter to your driver. There is no need to mark the sheet metal. Just locate the center of the cutting area, then drill a pilot hole. Go ahead and use the cutter bit. Now with the pivot pin in the pilot hole, rotate the tool clockwise while drilling. Keep the tool slightly tipped so the cutting edge leads as it cuts, and in a few seconds, you're done. Since the cutting bit eventually dulls only where it contacts the material, Malco made it simple to extend the life of the bit by designing the adjustment sleeve to move up or down to expose a new portion of cutting edge. And when it is time to replace the bit, impact-ready cutter bits are available in packs of 1 or 6. Plus, they can be used in place for the gold standard bits for the original Malco hole cutters as well. Malco's hole cutters with impact-ready cutter bits. The versatile way to perfect sheet metal circles.